Hello again, toy car collectors. I think I got a good video for you here. I want to show a whole bunch of Blackbirds. Now, a flock of crows is known as a murder of crows. So maybe this is a murder of blackbirds. Anyway, starting here, this is an old Erdl Bandit. Really nice condition. Let me move that up a little bit. Excellent condition. Got the Phoenix on the hood, tan interior. Opening doors. Yeah, cool car. The Bandit. Now this one was actually made in Korea. So there's Blackbird number 1. I don't know if these are all of the ones I have in my collection. It's just a lot of them. Next up, got a green light. Really nice looking car. The gold rims. Black interior, rubber tires. A lot of really nice detail on that one. As you'd expect from a green light. And then quite heavy a car too, so. So there's bird number 2. I got a whole bunch of these for you folks. Different brands, different eras, but all Blackbirds. Now that is like an 80s era Matchbox. Firebird. Red interior. Suspension. This one was made in Macau. Yeah, awesome car. That's Blackbird number 3. I think number 4, I'm going to look at 2 cars here. And that is a Yatming made in Hong Kong. Opening doors. Very typical sort of Yatming style wheels. Metal base. Seems almost like the interior's got tan seats, but the other parts maybe a little bit bleached out. Maybe it was in the sun, not sure. Very cool car. Take a gander at the base on that one. Nice heavy metal car, like all these old Yatmings are. And they got another Yatming I want to look at here. This time with the gold rims. It actually says Rocky 2. So, don't remember if Rocky had a Trans Am or not. Somebody must have. So Pretty cool car. Definitely a variation. Everything else seems to be pretty much the same except for the wheels and the Rocky 2 logo. I think next up we're going to look at, which this is a little Tootsie toy, I believe. More modern era Tootsie toy. Metal. You actually see the bird on the hood there. So pretty nifty. All right, got 7 more to go. And I think I want to look at some Hot Wheels here. There's a nice Hot Bird in black. That one was made in Hong Kong. Very cool black wall. Next up, I got 2 more Hot Wheels, which are the 80s Firebirds, as this casting is known. Just a little bit different paint job on the one in back. Red interior. Except that one actually says formula on the side. So pretty cool. There's your good look at that one. Awesome. And then here's a vintage Tomica made in Japan. Red interior, gold rims, metal base. I love my old Tomicas. Some of my favorite cars in my whole collection are the old Tomicas. Quick look at the base. Pretty good. That one wheel is a little bit wonky, but that's all right. Now this one here, I actually believe is sort of a Tomica clone or a knockoff. Made in Hong Kong. Very similar casting. But just cheapened up with the plastic base, and the base is a little bit different. Still super cool. And the last 2, that's an old Kidco. That has an opening hood, tan interior with the T-top. I like these old Kidco cars. Another oddball brand from years gone by, and I got a ton of them. And finally, this old ZEE. Or maybe Z stands for Zoid, who knows. A little bit of playwear on that, but still super cool. Awesome. Base a little rough on that one. Quite all right. But that's a pretty impressive looking group of Blackbirds, if I must say so myself. Thanks for watching, everybody.